with another video. Today we'll discuss about the MIUI 14 gallery application port for any custom ROM. So let's get started. If you are using any Android 11, 12, 13, then it should work. So let's begin, and I am using here Lineage OS or Exodus OS, whatever you want to say, so which is based on Android 12.1. Let's begin. First of all, download the zip file from the given link in description. Here you guys will get that MIUI gallery port zip file. After downloading the zip file, you guys can extract the file. Then you guys will get MIUI gallery app port 1 and MIUI gallery editor and MI video app. Just download and extract, then install one by one, and let me install in front of you one by one. First of all, I am installing the MIUI gallery application, and then I will install the MIUI gallery editor, which will be very important for the latest features. If you don't install the editor, you won't be able to edit any picture or photos, whatever you want to say. Then my video application, it's up to you, but all these are important. So all installed. Now my video. An important thing is that you don't need to root your device. Without root, you guys can easily use this feature, the latest gallery application, and this is MIUI gallery application. So let me open this. Just allow all the permissions. And here is the settings permission required. Just allow and get back, and it's okay. Now you guys can easily use that thing. So this is it. If you can zoom in and zoom out, feature is available, and here is the camera, and here is all photo. Then if you click here, the settings, all necessary settings are available here. Convert HEIF before sending, and don't try to use that sync with cloud, because this is included with MI cloud, which is associated with MI account, and as we are using a custom ROM, so we don't have any MI account, so this feature sync with cloud will not work. So let's try this one. Clicking on the edit button, that will also ask for the permission. Manually provide the permission and get back. Now click on edit, which permission is important here. So all are done. And another things, just like click on more, protective watermarks working or not, just type anything, and you guys can see it's working fine. Let me show you. Let it be set. So here you guys can see on the top it's working, which is called do not copy anything. The protective watermark, which is perfectly working, there is no issue. And what we have here, add to album and protective watermark, recognize text, and it start slideshow and details as well. Everything is just working fine. And if you want to use any feature from the settings, just grant permission, internal storage or external storage or whatever, and create a folder, DCIM, and use this folder. Then you guys can easily use that crop feature. You guys can do that crop and original, full screen, and different types of settings are there, and you guys can do that according to your choice. Hues customizations and filters, portrait and color focus and other things, all are included here. And classic, portrait, food, and movie, travel, night, so many filters are there. And we have here the adjustment. Could not download, check your internet. You need to download that adjust files. Some files need to be downloaded, and I don't have any connection right now, so that's why I can't show you that. And here we have doodles, so you guys can do that things as well, and text and mosaic and other things. So all here we have the AI beauty and AI features, objects and lines. You guys can erase it. And then we have here the stickers. The huge sticker collections are there. Then we have the frames, different ratio and different frames are there. And then we have the beautify, smart, skin, and you need to download everything here, face, body and HD portrait, whatever you need to download. I don't have internet connection right now, so that's why I can't show you, but everything is working fine without any issue. You are using any Android 12 and 13, doesn't matter, you guys can easily use that ROM. This MIUI 14 gallery application, which is really thanks to the porter for this great work. And then we have MI video. If you don't need that MI video player, then of course you guys can leave it. And if you want to use that player for daily drive, just instead of MX player or other players, then you guys can install this one. If you don't need, then don't install. So that's it. Hope you guys understand the video. If you like my work, then do subscribe and hit the bell icon. So thank you for watching.